Do you want to learn how to make awesome videos? Then watch this video until the very end.
The video you just watched was made with Veo 3. With just a simple prompt, you can generate stunning high-quality videos using Veo 3. It delivers incredible results. The scenes have a high cinematic feel. Even the lip syncing is completely precise with natural audio. Go to labs.google/fx. Click Launch Flow, then New Project. By default, the prompt type is text to video. You can also choose frames to video that turns an image into video and ingredients to video that combines multiple elements into a scene. Now let's try text to video first. Click the settings icon to adjust. Set outputs per prompt to 1 to save tokens. Choose the high quality model. This one supports audio and uses Veo 3. With the Pro account, you get 1000 tokens per month. Each high quality video costs 100 tokens and each fast model video only costs 10 tokens, but in lower quality. Here's a sample prompt I wrote. A female singer performing on the moon with a guitarist. You can write any prompt using ChatGPT and paste it here. Click the send icon and wait. Here we go. Let's watch it.
Gravity of love pulls me so hard. Oh.
Amazing quality and the lip sync is incredible. To download the video, click the download icon and choose from GIF 720p, which is the original one, or upscale 1080p. I choose 1080p. You'll need to wait a bit for the upscaling to finish, then click the download. There are also some other amazing features available. Click Add to Scene, hit the plus icon. Two options appear. The first one is Jump to. It generates a video that transitions the story or flow into a new scene or different setting. And the second one is Extend, that continues the current shot with consistent style and flow. Add prompts to guide how the story continues. Now let's try frames to video. From here, you can upload an initial frame. And it's optional to crop it to fit the canvas. Then enter a short prompt. Of course, the more detailed it is, the better the result. You can also upload a final frame for more accurate guidance. Use the camera icon to choose a camera angle. You can see the available options here. I'll go with the second one. Click Generate and wait. Thanks for watching till the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.